What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another video. Today this one is all about culture, the Igbo culture, the rich Igbo culture. Now recently there are some beautiful events that have been done globally. They recently concluded Igbo Fest in London, and also there was another one that was organized in Houston, Texas. You know, Texas seems to be one of the largest Igbo community you can ever find in the world. A lot of Igbos are in Texas, Dallas, Houston, and the rest of others. A whole lot of that area is filled with the beautiful people of Igbo. Now it's a unique culture, despite the fact that even back here at home it's being celebrated properly. Every culture, every religion, every tribe has its challenges, and our own, I think it's nothing too much. Anyway, enjoy some of these highlights. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
Mr. Zion on the beat.
Purchase your tracks today.
Mr. Zion on the beat.
Purchase your tracks today.